Inkberry holly, Ilex glabra, also known as gallberry, is a versatile and attractive evergreen shrub native to the eastern United States. With its glossy dark green leaves and black berries, inkberry holly is a popular choice for landscaping and gardening. This video will guide you through the process of growing and caring for inkberry holly shrubs, ensuring they thrive in your garden. Selecting the right location. Inkberry holly thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. Planting inkberry holly. Spring or early fall is the ideal time to plant inkberry holly shrubs. Follow these steps for successful planting. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and as deep as the plant's root ball. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen any tightly bound roots. Place the shrub in the hole, making sure it sits at the same depth as it did in the container. Backfill the hole with soil, firming it gently around the roots. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and eliminate any air pockets. Watering and mulching. Inkberry holly shrubs have average water needs and benefit from regular watering, especially during dry spells. Deep watering once a week is usually sufficient, ensuring the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Pruning and shaping. Inkberry holly has a naturally compact growth habit and rarely requires heavy pruning. However, light pruning can be performed in late winter or early spring to maintain shape and remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Fertilizing. Inkberry holly generally grows well without heavy fertilization. However, if you notice slow growth or pale foliage, a slow-release balanced fertilizer can be applied in early spring. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct dosage and application method. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive vegetative growth and reduced berry production. Berry production. One of the appealing features of inkberry holly is its black berries, which develop in late summer or early fall and persist throughout winter. The berries are an important food source for wildlife. If you want to encourage berry production, ensure you have both male and female plants in proximity for cross-pollination. Winter care. Inkberry holly is hardy and can tolerate cold winters. However, newly planted shrubs or those grown in colder regions may benefit from additional protection. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to insulate the roots and reduce temperature fluctuations. Avoid using plastic covers, as they can trap moisture and promote fungal diseases.